In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to text in Tableau using Worksheet or dashboard URL actions. If you're looking to enhance interactivity in your Tableau dashboards, adding hyperlinks can be a transformative tool. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to launch your Tableau application. Once you've started Tableau, access the worksheet that you want to work on. This is the space where you'll begin creating your interactive elements, so make sure it's the right worksheet for the changes you wish to make. Next, we're going to create a calculated field. To do this, click on Analysis in the top navigation menu and select Create Calculated Field. A new window will pop up where you can enter the details for this field. You'll want to name this field URL and simply type in your query in the calculation area. After doing this, click OK to save. But we're not stopping there. Go back to the Analysis menu and create a second calculated field. This time you'll name it Full URL. Again, enter your query and once more, hit OK. Now it's time to bring these fields into play. Drag and drop the URL, full URL, and state fields into the rows shelf. This will organize your data appropriately so you can link it up effectively with your dashboard or worksheet actions. Once you've arranged your fields, head over to the Worksheet menu and choose Actions. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to define what clicking on elements within your table or dashboard will do. In the dialog box that appears, click on this sheet and then select Add Action. Here, choose Go to URL from the options provided. You'll need to give this action a meaningful name so it's easily identifiable later on. You will then set the Run Action box to Select. This configuration ensures that the action you've set will be triggered whenever your audience selects a specific element within your worksheet. It's crucial to choose the right URL target. Under URL target, ensure to select New Browser tab. This setting provides a seamless user experience by opening the link in a new tab, keeping your Tableau dashboard or worksheet in place for further exploration. Finally, it's time to tie it all together by inserting the full URL field into the URL entry. Once you confirm everything is correct, click OK to save all your settings and apply the hyperlink action. And that's it! You've successfully added interactive hyperlinks to your Tableau worksheet or dashboard, enriching the data experience for your viewers. Remember, this technique can really elevate how users navigate through the information you present, making your visuals more dynamic and engaging. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy dashboarding.